Aris and Ivy, sa wakas, no? Makailang beses na udlot ang plano na magpapakasal. But if it is God's plan for you, it will surely happen. No?
Dear Mahal, salamat sa lahat. Teka lang, naiyak ka. Ayan. Ano? Game. Sana hindi ka magsawang magmahal at mag-alaga sa amin ni Arisa. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ni Arisa. I love you. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Remember that each of you is a gift from God for the other. Aris and Ivy, please be convinced. You are not here before God for other reason, but to accept that Aris is God's gift to Ivy, and Ivy is God's gift to Aris.
Mahal, finally ready na ako. Wait for me, tandaan mo, mahal na mahal kita. Ivy.
I'll take the over-under, and I'm not the only one. I gave you all my heart, I took it back to the start. I found a way for you where there once was none. The hardest part, but your life is just begun.
Ivy, isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama, Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Don't make it harder than it has to be. There's no comfort in the fantasy.
So we will be praying for both of you, Aris and Ivy, no? Kasamang yung mga mahal sa buhay, mga kapag-anak, mga kaibigan. No? Sana po magiging makabuluhan, masaya, puno ng pagmamahalan ang inyong buhay bilang mag-asawa.